all to my presentation on testing maturity model. This is Dr. Srinivasan, working as professor in the Department of CSE at RMD Engineering College. TMM is a learning tool or framework which is used to learn the testing process thoroughly. It is based on the capability maturity model. It introduces both the technical and managerial aspects of testing. TMM model is used to give answers to three important questions. The first one is, where do we begin to learn more about testing? The second question is, what areas of testing are important? The third one is, which topics need to be addressed first? We now look at the internal structure of TMM. It has 5 levels. Each level contains maturity goals that are supported by many sub goals. Both major maturity goals and maturity sub goals are achieved by a list of activities or tasks. These tasks are organized based on the views collected from manager, developer, tester, and clients. We now look at the structure of TMM. It has 5 levels. The first level is initial. The second level is phase definition. The third level is integration. The fourth level is management and measurement. And the fifth level is optimization or defect prevention and quality control. In the first level, the testing is seen as a chaotic process. It is not defined perfectly. So the tester could not distinguish it from debugging. The objective of testing in the first level is to show the software will work. Software products are usually released without any quality assurance to the client when the process is in the first level. In the first level, the company don't reserve our resources, tools, as well as the trained staffs to test the product. The second level, the company has three important goals. The first one is they develop testing and debugging goals. They initiate a testing planning process. They institutionalize basic testing techniques and methods. In the second level, companies separate testing from debugging clearly. They use to test the product immediately after the implementation or coding. In this level, the testing is seen as a planned activity. Companies use either black box or white box testing strategies, as well as they use cross reference matrix based validation. In this level, testing is seen as a multi-leveled process. So the companies will perform unit testing, integration testing, system testing, and acceptance testing before releasing the product into the market. The third level is integration. In the integration level, companies set 4 goals. They are establish a software testing unit, establish a technical training program, integrate testing into the software lifecycle, control and monitor testing. In the third level, companies integrate testing into the software development lifecycle. So testing can be seen as a professional activity. There is a technical training given to the software testers. Testing is monitored to ensure that the process is going as per the plan. So the software will be released on time. The fourth level is management and measurement. Here the company set 3 goals. They are establish an organization-wide review program, establish a test measurement program, software quality evaluation. In the fourth level companies, the reviews are conducted at regular intervals to monitor the testing process. The software products are tested thoroughly based on different quality attributes such as reliability, usability, and maintainability. The test cases from all projects are collected and recorded in a database when the companies are operating in the fourth level. The test cases will be used later and they will perform the regression testing on the product before they release the product into the market. In the fourth level, the defects are logged and they are given a security level. In the fourth levels, the companies will use the extended V and V model to avoid the defects. So prevention of defects will be focused when the companies are in the fourth level. The top level in the TMM model is optimization or defect prevention and quality control. Here companies set three more goals. They are defect prevention, quality control, test process optimization. In this level, companies define the test process completely and they are managed by a set of people. The test process cost effectiveness will be monitored. The defect prevention and quality control take place in the organization. The organization use automation tools for running as well as rerunning the test cases in this level. When we compare TMM to CMM, the TMM focuses more on testing. It's a test-specific maturity model. It helps organizations to optimize the errors. It also helps the organization to improve the maturity of their testing processes. So TMM is very useful to all software development organizations to improve the quality of the testing process. Thank you.